Yes. Yes. Wait. Why are you asking? हट! पीछे मुड़ोगे? पीछे क्यों मुड़ रहे हैं?
वीडियो वॉइस नहीं है।
वेट अ मिनट।
सर आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है। सर सर your voice is not clear.
Wait.
Sir, your board is also not clear. सर बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं है। Yes, sir. The board is very bloody. The blood आ रहा है।
Okay, I'm correcting. Wait.
Sir, board is blood. Sir, board is very bloody. Please stop.
क्या यहाँ पढ़िएगा तो वो हाँ वो क्लियर थोड़ा सा।
दिलीप सर एक चीज़ और, हम आए थे एक अरेंजमेंट देने 7CD में।
कब?
इसके बाद
अच्छा।
ले लीजिएगा।
उसके बोलते मेरा डाटा चल रहा है।
प्राइवेट बना दिया।
नहीं है।
थोड़ा सा ब्लड जैसा कहा है।
बोर्ड गंदा है इसलिए।
आता है बहुत क्लियर आ जाता है।
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
आफ्टरनून चिल्ड्रेन।
जूम का चल रहा है, कुछ हमारा भी गड़बड़ा रहा है।
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
यस कहाँ?
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
तो क्या इसके बाद
एडिटिंग करवाने वाले हैं?
या यस
एडिटिंग करवाने वाले हैं।
लेट अस रिवाइज
यस
या
सर।
चैप्टर 3 which is a poem. Laser. Okay. Yes. Laser.
English literature.
By
Sir, board is not clear.
who is the poet?
बोर्ड तो ब्लर आ रहा है।
W.H. Davis. W.H. Davis. Okay. So children, we are revising poem, the third lesson, which is a poem titled Leisure. Titled Leisure by W.H. Davis. Okay. So be ready. Okay. First of all, let us discuss the title. First of all, the title, children. What is the meaning of leisure? In English? Yes. Free time. Time without time when we have no time when we are not busy. Yes, right. Time when we are not busy. Okay. That is lay off free time. Okay. Time without any serious work, when we are at rest. When we are at rest, or when we are at ease. When we are at ease, keeping away from serious job, serious work. This is the title, children. This is the heading. This is the name of the poem. Children, anyone? What does the poet W.H. Davis convey through this poem? What does he convey? Anyone? What is the theme of this poem titled Leisure? What is the subject matter? क्या विषय वस्तु है? क्या इसका सूत्र है बच्चे? इसका सूत्र क्या है लेजर का? चिल्ड्रेन, द थीम ऑफ दिस पोएम, the theme of this poem is, wait, let me check. Yes, the poet conveys to us about a very important issue, about a very important matter, issue, or a problem. The problem is that, listen children, the problem is that in modern times, in modern age, human being or we people are excessively busy. We are very busy from morning to evening, and again from evening to morning. We are awake 24 hours. We are awake 24 hours. So, by working for so many hours, by working for 24 hours, in modern age, we are just like a machine. Man is just like a machine. Yes, children, you see, a machine continues to work. It continues to work and work and work, because a machine is a lifeless system. It is a dead system. It is a dead system, non-living. It can work, but human being is a living system. We are a living system. We are alive. We have life in us. So why should we walk? पैर नहीं लाओ, ठीक से बैठो. Why should we work only and walk and not enjoy nature? Not enjoy nature, natural beauty, natural wonders, natural miracles. And this is the cause of the poet's worry. This is the cause of the poet's worry. The poet is worried. Do you know, children, why? Because man is not free today. He is burdened. Yes, he is burdened with jobs, work, and so many activities from morning to evening, and again from evening to morning, day and night, 24 hours, or you can say throughout the year. So as a result, our life is very poor. Yes, our life is very poor. According to the poet, our life is very poor, very dull, very poor, dull, and boring. Yeah, boring. Because we have, बच्चे बोलो, we have no time to watch. We have no time to watch nature, natural activities, natural phenomena, natural happenings, natural scenes, to watch natural beauty. Okay? This is the theme, children. This is the theme. Okay? So, children, you can write also. This is why the poet has written this poem to awaken us. Yes. He has written, W.H. Davis has composed this poem to awaken us. Okay? To teach us a lesson. To teach us a lesson. Man must have leisure. Man must have leisure. Man must spare time. Okay? And devote this time, spend this time on watching. You know how fish swim in water? Fish swims in water, how birds fly in the sky, how the rivers flow, gargling, murmuring, how the rivers flow, gargling and murmuring and lapping, how sunset takes place, how sunrise takes place, okay? How different animals, different creatures.
आपका नेट बहुत खराब चल रहा है और आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है सर.
कैसे? पूरे लोग तो सुन रहे हैं मेरी आवाज को. मैं म्यूट नहीं हूँ.
सर आपकी आवाज बहुत लो आ रही है. आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है बोर्ड में। सर
Well, natural beauty, natural scenes.
सर आपकी वॉइस बहुत स्लो आ रही है और सर बोर्ड भी क्लियर नहीं है।
The
सर everything is fine. Your voice is also coming.
sports played by different creatures. Yeah. Yes.
सर आप क्वेश्चन आंसर लिख रहे हैं।
No. We are revising leisure. Okay. We are summarizing this poem. We are summarizing the title. We are discussing the title also. We are discussing the theme.
सर
Yes.
सर आपने अभी तक उसको क्वेश्चन आंसर और लाइव स्किल लाइव भेजा है।
Okay.
सर जो आप लिख रहे हैं उसे आपको कॉपी में उतारना है।
Yes.
सर बट बोर्ड बिल्कुल ब्लरी है।
यह ब्लड
बिल्कुल क्लियर नहीं है और आप वॉइस भी बहुत कट कट के आ रही है। कुछ नहीं समझ आया आप क्या लिखे हैं। सर आप फोटो खींच के ग्रुप पे भेज दीजिए ना।
जस्ट वेट.
यस सर फोटो क्लिक करके ग्रुप पे भेज दीजिए, हम लोग वहाँ से देख के लिख लेंगे।
कैसे ब्लड हो गया है? दोबारा स्टार्ट करूं? हाँ, ब्लड क्यों आ रहा है?
कैमरा साफ कीजिए ना।
हाँ? कैमरा
सर बोर्ड आपको बिल्कुल क्लियर नहीं है सर, एक वर्ड नहीं दिख रहा है।
रुको जस्ट वेट. देखो कैमरा ब्लड है थोड़ा सा. जस्ट वेट. नहीं बोर्ड से नहीं है. हाँ, जूम करने पर तो और ये ब्लड हो जा रहा है.
सर फोटो
अच्छा ठीक है, देखो तो.
ठीक तो है सर।
ओके.
राज शास्त्री।
हाँ. डिफरेंट क्रिएचर्स. या ओके. So children, what is this life? See, here are some visuals given. Okay, given with the poem. What is this life is full of care? We have no time to stand and stay. Yes, the poet is saying, children, the poet is saying that our life is really very dull. Our life is
सर
really
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है बिल्कुल भी।
silent net problem. This is net problem. Listen and try to understand. Because the poet says that our life is really very poor because we don't have time to stand and stare. Means stand under a tree and watch nature all around. Okay, different activities going on. We can't watch because we have no time. We are busy. we are madly busy in our cities and towns. Okay, even in our villages, we are busy. Yes,
inside.
we should enjoy nature. The poet says that we should enjoy nature, watch natural beauty, natural scenes, and we should spare leisure. We should spare time. We must have some free time to enjoy nature and to enjoy different, and watch different activities going on, different, phenomena happening around us. No time to stand beneath the
क्या
boughs.
लिखे हैं?
What?
सर बोरिंग के बाद आप क्या लिखे हैं?
Boring because we have no time to watch natural beauty scenes and the sports played by different creatures. Yes. No time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep or cows. Next couplet. Okay, we cannot stand because we have no time to stand under a tree or under the branches of a tree. Boughs means, what is the meaning of boughs? Boughs. नहीं जानते हो. Boughs means branches. We can't stand beneath the branches of trees and stare as long as sheep or cows. Sheep and cows, they are in nature. They enjoy nature, but we cannot enjoy nature. So we should watch sheep, cows, birds, and other animals, that are there in our nature. No time to see when woods we pass,
Side please.
where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. Yeah. Yeah. We have no time, children. We have now no time to see a forest. Woods means woods. Forest. Madam. Woods means forest. We cannot see our forests. Our forests are full of trees and various types of, creatures, birds and reptiles. So we should go there and enjoy them. Squirrels hide their nuts in grass. What is the sport? What is the sport that a squirrel plays? Have you seen a squirrel, Gilhari?
Yes, sir.
Hey, छोड़ो ना.
Yes sir.
Hey, have you seen a squirrel
Yes, sir.
picking nuts in the forest, picking nuts and picking, picking nuts in the forest and then hiding those nuts, cashew nuts, walnuts and other nuts, and then the squirrel hides them in grass, and then the squirrel eats them. Okay, that is a wonderful scene to watch. The poet says that is a marvelous scene to watch. That a squirrel hides, first it gathers, collects nuts, and then the squirrel hides those nuts in grass.
It is side.
So this is a wonderful scene to watch. According to the poet. Who is the poet?
B.H. Davis.
Yes. What is the meaning of boughs?
Branches.
Books? Forests. Right. In broad daylight, yes, streams are flowing. Yes, streams are also flowing. Running out of time, children. Yeah. Our streams are full of river.
सर मैं टॉयलेट
बंद करो, बेल लगेगी जो ना. Our streams are full of stars, as the night is full of stars at night. Okay, so our rivers are also full of stars. How? When the sunlight falls, when the sun rays fall on the rivers, on clear water, on crystal clear transparent water, lucid water, the water appears to sparkle, and the sparkling water of the rivers and streams and brooks and springs, they sparkling water appear to having lakhs of stars in them, as we see thousands and lakhs of stars in the sky at night. Try to understand, children. No time to turn at beauty's glance. Okay, our nature is just like a beautiful dancer. Nature is personified. Our nature is personified as a dancer. Nature is dancing. See, her feet are dancing round and round. She is smiling also. She is smiling also. Her smile is attractive, charming. Okay? So see, we miss. Human being misses all these beautiful scenes presented by nature, offered by nature. So a poor life this is full of chaos. A poor life this is full of chaos. We have no time to stand and stare.
सर अच्छे गाना था
No time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep or cows. No time to see when woods sweep us, where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. ये सब क्या है बच्चे? राइमिंग वर्ड्स. देखो राइमिंग वर्ड्स. केयर, rhyming words. Bows, cows.